Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to set your own photo in an iPhone widget on home screen. So first of all, you're going to be able to see right here, this is like why not you widget I added on my iPhone. And the way to actually pull this off, you need to go ahead to your App Store, Google Play, and you need to download a third-party app legally, which is called Widget, right? Widget Smith. Right, and that app allows you to add your own photos on widgets, right, as a widget. So as you can see right here, you can craft your own aesthetic, and you can showcase your photos, and you can make it as as basically whatever template that you actually prefer, right? So basically you're gonna be able to see it just like this. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just download the app, and after you download the app, just open up the widget Smith and basically select the home screen that you want to add, or the widget that you want to add, right? If it was medium or large kind of widget, you're gonna be able to add it right here. And basically just add the widget right here. Let's say for example this small widget, and I'm gonna just click right here, photo, and then choose from the photo, and basically you're gonna be able to add it from your photo basically, right? And after you add it, just hit save, and if you want to apply it on your screen, just go ahead and hold your screen, basically click the plus button right here at the top left, and scroll a little bit down, scroll a little bit down till you find the widget Smith, right? And after you find the widget Smith, you're gonna just select the widget size, right? If you selected small, you're gonna add the small one. If you added it in the medium, you're gonna add the medium widget. And if you added it in the large widgets, just add it in the large widgets. That's right on the comments of this video. Hope you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.